How to fix no sound on YouTube, Google Chrome. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your no sound problem in your Google Chrome. So without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, launch your youtube.com and click onto any videos. You have to make sure you are not muted on this. Also make sure this is to full volume. The second thing you want to make sure is by clicking right onto the current tab. Then here, you have to make sure you have not checked this mute site button. Third thing you want to make sure is you click onto this sound system and this filters icon. Scroll below under volume mixer, you will see Chrome. Make sure that you have given full 100% volume to Chrome. And even so, if that is not working, then restart your device and that shall definitely fix your problem. Once you restart your device, come back to your youtube.com again. Make sure you follow all these things that I mentioned, and that way you can definitely fix your sound problem in your Google Chrome. So that is all for today, and thank you for watching. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this.